Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are keeping well. Stay safe at home. Myself, Miss Misha, going to teach you maths in class 3. So, we all know this year we got more holidays than other years. And now also we cannot open our school. What is the reason? Yes, it's because of a pandemic called COVID-19, which is very badly affecting all over the world. So, actually the first case reported in India was on January 30th, and that too our state, Kerala. Then gradually the cases were increasing, and on February last it was 4 cases. Again, when we consider March end, the cases were 44, and by that time all were become very much panic, and the government, state government as well as our central government decided to close our schools, and they declared the lockdown. We all know that. That's why we got many holidays. Still we are sitting at home safely. So February 4, then March 44, then when we compare April, it is 266. Then we'll see what happened on May last. By May 31st, the number had a very big increase, and it was 1150. Let's see. February, March, February 4, March 44, April 266. Then when we come to May, it is okay. So when we see this, how many digits are there? Only one digit here, 2 digits here, 3 digits. And when we come to May, how many digits are here? There are 4 digits. We already learned 3 digits number. Up to 999, you know, last year we learned that. But we are not familiar with this number, 4 digit number. So today in this class, we will discuss about 4 digit numbers. How to write the number names as well as how to write the 4 digit numbers in digits. Okay, let's see. Let's do with this, our recent problem. So May month, it is 1150. 4 digits are there. So when we consider the places, which place is this? This is ones place. Which place is this? Tens place. This one, hundreds. Up to here we already learned. There, this place is known as thousands. Okay, so ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. We'll see how to name a digit, a 4 digit number. When we name a 4 digit number, first we consider what is there in thousands place. What is there in thousands place? Here it is 1. So we have to write 1000. Next we have to see what is there in hundreds place. So what is there? 1. So 1100. Then as usual last two digits. What is this? 50. 1150. So how to name this? 1000. That means what is there in thousands place? 1150. I will show one more example. How to write this here? Which is this here? Commonly we used to say 2020. This is how we used to call this year 2020. Actually, how to name this year? Here, which place? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So, first when we name a number, first we have to see what is there in thousands place. What is there in thousands place? 2. So, it will, how to write? 2000. 2000. Next we have to see what is there in hundreds place. Anything is there in hundreds place? No, it is 0. So no need to write any 100. Then we will see the last two digits. What is that? 20. So 2020. Which is this year? 2020. The main thing is if there is 0 at hundreds place, we are not supposed to write any 100. Just write thousands place. 2000. Then if it is 0, don't write any 100. And what is last two digits? 20. So 2020. We'll see one more example. So, what is there in thousands place? 3. 3 is in thousands place. So, how to write first? Which is there in thousands place? 3. So, 3000. Then here, at hundreds place, which one? 8. 800. Then at last 21. 21. And one more thing, when you write the number names, they are not supposed to write 3000. So that is wrong. When you write number names, use only the spellings. Don't write the digits. This is the way. This is how you have to write. Don't write digit 3 instead of THRW. You have to write the spelling. I think I am clear to you. So, if I give you few questions, can you do by yourself? I will write 2-3 digits here. You have to write. Try to write yourself the number names. So you can copy now in the notebook. So just copy this 5840. Next 9265. Next 6029. Just copy these numbers. Try to write yourself the number names. Okay. So next we'll see if you get a number name. How can you write? If you get a number name, how can you write the digit? We'll see that. We already said how many cases were there in Kerala. The month of May, it was 1,100 place 1. So you have to write 1. Next you have to see what is there in hundreds place. Hundreds place is how many hundred? 100. Again write 1. Next you have to see what is there. That is 50. So 50. So first you see what is 1000. 1000. Next see how many hundred? 100. Then write the last two digits 50. We see this here. Which is this here? 2020. Here, such cases, there is a chance to make some mistakes. See, the main thing, whenever you write a 4-digit number, after writing that, you have to see whether 4 digits are there or not. First we write, what is there in 1000 place? 2. So, 2000. You are writing only 2000, next 20. That means 20. You are writing like this. Is it a 4-digit number? No. This is wrong. This is 3-digit number. So, we will see thousands place 2. 2. Any hundreds are written? No hundreds. No hundreds means you have to write 0 in hundreds place. 0. Then see what is there. The last place, that is 20. 2020. Again a little more confusing. I will show you. $5,500 4. Okay. 5. First one, what we want to see? Thousands place. What is there in thousands place? 5. 5,000. Next 100. What is there in hundreds place? 5. 500. 4. If you are writing 4 like this, 4 digits are there? No. That means your answer is wrong. You should not like this. You have to see 5,000. Okay, 5. 500 place 5. Then 4 means tens place anything is there? No. So you have to write 0 there. Then 4. If it is below 10, you have to add 0 in tens place. Okay, then only it will come like a 4-digit number. Otherwise, if you are writing like this, this is wrong because only 3 digits. So if there is nothing in the tens place, you have to write 0 here. Again. $2,000. How to write? First we have to write 1,000 please. Okay. So no 100, nothing. So means is this 2,000? No. This is 2. So 100 place anything is there? No. No 0. 10 place nothing? 0. 1 place anything? 0. This is 2,000. So whenever you are writing a 4-digit number, and you are writing digits, you have to see whether 4 numbers are there, 4 digits are there. If there are no 4 digits, that means somewhere you made the mistake. So first of all, when you get a number name, you see what is there in thousands place. That number, that digit you have to write first. Then you see any hundreds are there. That number you have to write after 1,000. Next, last 2 digits. If it is below 10, you have to write 0 in tens place. If it is above 10 or above, you can write that number as it is. 2-3 examples I will show you. After that, I will give you 2-3 questions. You can write by yourself. You can copy the questions in the notebook. Try to write by yourself. In the next class, I will tell the answer so you can check whether your answer is correct or not. $4,800 11 6,000 $1,000 1. 3 questions are here. You have to copy these questions in your notebook. Try to write yourself the digits. How to write in digits. Try to write yourself. And next class, I will tell the answers so you can check whether your answer is correct or not. I hope I am clear to you. So you try to read the numbers in the newspaper or somewhere, 4-digit number, so you can develop by yourself easily. You can read the number names as well as try to write when you read, that is a number name. So try to write the book or try to read. So you can, if you show to your parents when you are reading, if there is any mistake, they can also correct you. So stay safely at home, do your works, go through every day. So bye, see you in the next class. Take care.
Today we will learn how to read 4-digit numbers. 8, 7, 6, 2. We will read this as 8,762. 5, 4, 0, 8. We will read this as 5,408. 1, 2, 0, 6. We will read this as 1,206. 3, 2, 7, 0. We will read this as 3,270. 2, 7, 1, 5. We will read this as 2,760.